Hello, I will show you how good is the stand that I've got from Amazon. This is called Babacom laptop stand. It's a hilarious name, but it's one of the most popular on Amazon, so I thought, why not giving a try? So, how it works? It can be really portable if you fold it all the way like this. You can put it in a bag if you want, that's actually up to you, and you can fold it the way you want as well. So the good thing is that I also use it not only for laptop but as well for my iPad. 9-inch iPad, and it actually looks great. It's stable, as you can see. I can do whatever I want. It feels solid, so highly recommend it, even if you are looking just a stand for the iPad. But actually for iPad there's even better option. I also have a review on this, so you can find it in the description. But now we are talking about laptops, so I will show you how you can use it for laptop, and that's actually why it's created for. It suits all laptops from 10 to 16 inches, and I will show you with 13 inches MacBook Pro. Alright, so now let's see how it looks with MacBook Pro. It looks actually good and still feels very sturdy. It doesn't shake, so you can actually trust it. And this is how it looks when you open the device. It feels really solid, sturdy, and it's even comfortable if you are willing to use it like this. You can write it down, but for me the reason why I bought it is because I'm planning to use it on a setup like this. So this would be the setup that I'm planning to use, and it's really comfortable because you can push it even higher to almost match your eyes, and you can also put some kind of external display close to this laptop or just an iPad Pro. So it really works that way. So let's see how tall it can get. Yeah, this will be the tallest. Fold it a bit, yeah, and now it looks stable. And let's see how tall it is. It's around 20 centimeters tall. It will be enough for most people. I think in this way it should be really comfortable to use with iPad and pencil. So I think it should be really comfortable to draw with iPad Pro, and it can also hold your pencil like this. So all in all, I think I'm really satisfied with this product. It feels stable, and I think you can really trust on it by putting on your precious and expensive laptop. Hope you find this little review useful, just to imagine how the stand is actually working and how durable it is. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.